Accountability is the first step to healing. I didn't know better. I'm learning. I'm doing it. That's it. Why do you need to apologize to someone when you didn't intend, when you are not, when that was the truth of the moment? When whatever you knew, you did. You're based on your awareness. Even if you raped someone or you hit someone, that was in your control, that moment, that was your awareness, that moment, that was your truth, that moment, that was your perception, that moment, that was your action, that moment. It happened by you. I forgive myself. I'm making those changes. I'm accepting myself with my past. I'm healing myself. I'm making those changes. I'm shifting my patterns, my perceptions, my choices, my actions, my lifestyle. I forgive myself because I love myself. Because I want to be the best of myself and share the best of me with you and everyone else. So I take accountability, I accept myself, I own my choices and my actions or whatever, and I'm making those changes. I'm healing, I'm learning, I'm expanding. And people who are well aware of themselves, they will understand where you're coming from. You don't need to boost anybody's ego, don't need to apologize for your truth in the past. Take accountability, forgive yourself, and make those changes. When only you accept your past, you can make the change in the present. I didn't know better, so I ate like all these kind of food. I lived like this. I took stress. I lived this kind of lifestyle. That's why I got low immune, or I got low unhealthy body or unhealthy patterns. I'm taking accountability. I forgive myself. I'm making those changes, and I want to work on me to make better for all of us. That's what apologies are about. Forgive yourself. Don't apologize to others, because you're never hurting anyone. You're never intending to harm anyone. We are kind, generous, sentimental, empathetic soul human beings. That's why we are called human beings. You are an infinite intelligence. So you can never do anything which is wrong. There is no wrong. It's just that you didn't tap into your intelligence at that moment. So you did or not did something which was not in alignment, in integrity, in mindfulness, in well being. Take accountability, forgive yourself, and move forward. And you see how people will honor you, because then only you can make those changes. When you say I'm sorry, you don't make those changes. We don't do that because we don't realize, we don't recognize, we don't take accountability. You get it? So the first step to make those changes is taking accountability and forgiving yourself. Then you can heal, and then people will appreciate you for that. You are a god, a goddess, an alchemist. You can't be anywhere wrong. It's just that you didn't know what's best for you and everyone in the past, right? Now you're learning, making those changes, forgiving yourself, and aligning and collaborating. People who are in alignment, in synergy, will collaborate with you. Trust the process. Don't go and keep asking apology to everyone. Don't apologize. Say, I didn't know better. I forgive myself for that period of truth where I was unaware of self, and I take accountability for myself, and I'm making those healthy changes and becoming the best version of myself for me and you and everybody else in the community. Get it? Before I say das Vidania, I'm sending love, light, and quantum healing energies to all of you. Keep thriving, keep shining, and keep loving me. Bye bye.